I want it to fill up because I want it to be kind of like just straight across instead of like bumpy.
Bumpy, okay.
And then I just want to make my upper lip more full too than my bottom lip.
We'll add a little bit to the bottom as well as we go along, just to kind of like keep the proportions kind of balanced. But yeah, we can definitely, like, if you prefer to have the top a little bit bigger, we can do that. And then we can try to like level you out and through here.
Okay, and then I don't need too much volume. My lips are already pretty full. I'm just trying to smooth it out.
Smooth it out,
yeah.
Okay. So a couple options for you. I would say probably either like Juvederm Ultra Plus or Restylane Refine works really well too.
Okay.
If you're looking to add like a lot of volume up there, Ultra Plus might be the better way to go. Refine I really like in terms of it tends to have the least amount of swelling. It's also pretty moldable, pretty natural looking in the lip.
I'm Bonnie, and I've just been self-conscious about the way that my lip dips a little bit at the top. And so I just wanted to fill it up and get some symmetry on my lips so that my graduation pictures don't come out crooked. And there's stuff on my lips. So when I researched med spas around Columbus, Juvly had the best. They show really good before and after pictures. They have the best deals, and I know some of the employees that work here personally, and they are all very friendly and very accommodating.
So today we are doing some lip filler on Bonnie here. Also would like to kind of smooth out the upper lip where you can start to see those little line formation and kind of make her a little bit more even in through here. So today we're going to be using Juvederm Ultra Plus. So that filler definitely is going to give you a lot of volume. And as you can see, she kind of already has naturally fuller lips. So we're just going to kind of create a little bit more balance and symmetry for her. So Ultra Plus we're using again because it does offer you the most amount of volume up front. Certain fillers we'll use for different situations. Like if we needed to build a little bit more structure, maybe something like a define. If you're looking for just a very, very, very subtle plump, you could use something like Volbella. And her Volbella would completely disappear, again, because she just naturally has a lot of volume already to her lip. So lots of different factors that kind of weigh in as to why we choose one filler over the other for a different client. So side effects with lip filler, I tell everyone, definitely anticipate some swelling. The lip tissue is pretty responsive and it tends to swell almost immediately as soon as we start injecting. Most people have swelling anywhere between 2 to 3 days, but some people can have swelling up to a couple weeks. So we'll have her kind of ice on and off over the next few days for 30 seconds at a time to help reduce that. Bruising is always a possibility. Bruising does not mean that you had a bad injection. It's just the lips are very vascular, and if you happen to inject in or around a vessel and nick it, that can result in some bruising, which will resolve on its own just as a normal bruise would. Ultra Plus, usually a little over a year. Some people though, the product can wear off a little bit quicker, so safely I tell people generally between like 9 to 12 months. So today we're gonna do 1 ml of filler. Here at Juvly in the lips, we'll never do more than 1 ml at a time. It's important to allow the lip tissue to kind of rebound and heal before you put too much in it. Sometimes people's lips and tissue won't accommodate much more than that, and that's when you can kind of get backfilling into the tissues or into spaces that you're not wanting. But go ahead and smile so you see how it comes like straight across now for you. And we'll show you a before and after picture. Like you had a lot of asymmetry to your bottom lip, so they kind of pulled you down a little bit more over through here.
Okay.
But yeah, they'll definitely come down a little bit. You're pretty swollen, yeah. And like I always tell people, like this raised border right here, that's gonna come down as well. We just do a lot of that tent pulling, so we kind of inject you right through there, so that tends to get pretty swollen. But yeah.
Yeah, they were really asymmetrical.
Yeah, so definitely filled you out in through there, and kind of, if you look real close, like you kind of came up like that, so we kind of pulled you down a little bit there.